Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix checkout issues in a Shopify store. Alright, let's begin. A smooth checkout process is essential for customer satisfaction and securing sales. First, identify the common checkout issues, such as payment gateway errors, loading problems, or unexpected checkout behavior. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Check your settings to ensure your payment provider is correctly set up. Go to Payment Methods, select Manage, and enable Test Mode to simulate transactions. Run test payments to determine if the issue is with the payment gateway. After testing, disable Test Mode and verify your gateway is working. Next, review shipping and tax settings. Incorrect configurations can prevent customers from completing purchases. Ensure shipping rates and tax settings are correctly applied. Check shipping zones, rates, and delivery methods. If using third-party rates, confirm they are properly set up. Under Taxes and Duties, verify tax settings for each product and enable taxes where necessary. Save any changes after updating settings. Now, check third-party applications and custom code. Sometimes, apps or custom scripts interfere with checkout. Disable any recently installed apps or code changes and test the checkout process. Additionally, outdated themes may cause issues. Check for updates as developers release patches for better compatibility. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.